Hello traders, this is Yes, welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys you are doing great. All right, even though today is Sunday, I think I was very busy on that weekend because I just wanted to share the result of 1 week from our scalping system. This is the candle system, which is called SMC Sniper. And my work now, it is to make you understand how simple and easy the system is when it comes to use this system, and don't limit the system. Allow the system to do a professional scalping without being limited, because the software is programmed with money management and also programmed with auto trading plan. And this is the software that is very easy for the scalpers, and especially even if you are a new beginner in forex market, trust me, when working with our system, it makes things easier because it's a plug and play. First of all, let me remind you on how this system works, and as the reason as to why I'm telling you guys don't limit the system. The reason why I'm telling you don't limit the system, I would like you to watch this video closely and watch what you are seeing on the screen. This is what I'm talking about. Don't limit the system. All right. After purchasing the system or after doing proper installation, and let's say, for example, this is MT5, and this is a DERIV platform, you can attach everything in that platform or whatever you want to trade in platform. As you can see in this chart, I have almost everything in that platform. All right. I have indices, I have metals, I have cryptos, everything you can see. Even gold is here, volatilities are here, US Tech is here, NASDAQ, everything is here. Boom and crash, they are here. Step indexed. Let's scroll. You can see they are almost all of them. All right. I selected more than 30 of them. The reason why you are doing that without limiting the system is that the EA will pick the signal according to the position limits or according to the chart limit. As you can see, I've set the position. I would only want the EA to open like 3 positions, and it's almost the same with 3 charts. Only 3 charts. So it doesn't matter if you have attached even 50 staffs of trading in your platform, but the good news is it will only pick from 3 with the potential signal. So it is not your work to think what you want to trade. You can now trade anything you want in forex market, all right, or any symbol provided in your platform. When it comes to lot size, you don't worry about this the lot size, because that is the work of the EA. It's already automated. You can see here, even if the base volume is 0.001, the volume when picking the trades are very different, because it will pick according to a risk management, and also it will also close the market according to the setup that is there. All right. And it's very professional when it detects, because the system contains detectors. Detectors are the one that detect that market is about to reverse. So it doesn't matter whether it has picked the trade, as long as it will detect that there is a reversal in some of the a platform that I'm about to share with you about the things that we are supposed to look even before entering the trades, even manually. It will help you a lot. So when it detects, it doesn't matter the profit that was there, it will close automatically. And when it detects also there is a reversal, or maybe a strong reversal, a reliable one, you can see it can close even with a small loss or whatever, and manage to recover the losses. So you don't have to think of which lot size to use, because, or when to increase the lot size, because when the EA continue banking, or maybe when the account is increasing, it will increase the lot size automatically. So once plug, it's always good to let it play and do its work. So it's a simple system that you have never had something like this. And if you have ever had, then this is also unique. When it comes to time frame, you can choose from 8 time frames, 8 hours and below. Even if you can attach in 5 minutes, it doesn't matter which time frame, because the signal does not depend on one time frame. So it doesn't matter. So there is no need even to think which time frame to use. For instance, here you can see I have chosen like 8 hours time frame. But when we come to this chart, you'll find that it is only in 1 hour time frame, and still it will still pick trades. So about the time frame, that is not your work. That is the work of the EA to make sure that it will pick the trades according to confirmation of different time frames. So it does not rely on one time frame, neither will it rely with the time frame because you have attached in. So this is now automated to make sure that you don't care, or you don't worry, or you don't even calculate about which time frame to use. The other thing I would like to tell you, it is not all about what you want, all right? I'm saying this because someone said, oh, my friend, I want the EA that can give me 500% in a week. Oh, wow. 500% in a week, not even in a year, not even in a month. Those are, even if you are the one who told me, because I haven't exposed to your name here, my friend, that is the kind of gambling in the market, and this is why people lose a lot of their balance, because they want to trade, they want to make what they want. They want the system of what they want, not the system that works. So the reason as to why we programmed our system with money management, because we don't want any blame game. All right, we don't want any blame game. You can imagine this is 1,500, the result of just 1 week. All right, let's say for example, because also it depends with the market, it can go even beyond this one, but this 1,500 in a week, that is more than. All right, that is more than, my friend, because this is all what you need. So let's say, for example, people would think maybe there is no losses in the system or with the system. If someone tells you that his EA it's 100% winning, that's okay. I don't disagree. I don't know, but I'm talking about my EA or the TFX EA. As you can see in this chart, guys, it's very clear that we have some losses. But the good thing about the system, I've been telling you guys that the system recover the losses. Every losses the system must recover. It's automated to recover every losses. Now you can see, like here in this date, this is the result from date 30th. I think that is one of the week. You can see we have 123, but you cannot compare the profit that are here and the losses that are here, because the losses must be recovered. All right, you can see. All right, you can see some losses, so we cannot say, oh, it was only 100%. No, sometimes losses must occur, but trust me, to recover, it's 100%. And winning of this system also, it's 100%. I think now this is a proof that losses is a must, 100%, and the system to recover, it's 100%, and to bank the profit professionally without blowing your account is also 100%. That is the best thing about our system. And this is what I will keep on reminding you guys. It is more than that what you have been thinking, or maybe what you are trying to think. It is good not to let yourself think more of what you are hearing from the horse of the mouth, which is I, the DFXS. So it is good to understand about how the system works, how the system recovers the losses, and how simple it is, because you don't have to do anything. By default, we send this system with a limit charts trades of 3. This means even if your equity is $100 or whatever, we don't care. It will only pick with a 3. Let's go to the risk ratio because it's very, very important. The reason why I said 0.09, it is because I want in every trade, in every open trade, I want it because there are 3. Every open trade will risk only 3% of the equity. So this 9%, it's from the 3 position that will be taken by the EM. So in every position or in every chart, because we are talking about 3 position and 3 different charts. So in every chart, it will be risking 3% of the account. So in total of the 3 signals that we have set here, and this is not the maximum, all right? This is the, you can set even 5 so that it can pick 5. But me, I do love to take 3, all right? 3 to me, it is a standard more than also over trading because we don't want to overtrade and we don't want also to experience a drawdown. So someone can ask, what is the drawdown of in this system, or when using this system, what is the drawdown to expect? Guys, it is very simple, and let me answer that question. In this system, if in every chart or in every position, if we are risking 3%, this means the biggest drawdown you can experience with our system, it's only 3% because it cannot go beyond that. And the best thing when it hits your stop loss with that 3%, that means the market has changed the direction. Trust me, it will also reverse, or it will open the opposite signal to make sure it recovers the signal. All right. This is why even if they hit the stop loss, we are 100%. And I do believe I've been sharing the video on how our system recovers the losses. I think you can watch that video. So to answer the drawdown or the DD of what you are expecting from the system, it won't be more than 3%. And I do believe everyone to lose 3% of your account, that one you can hold. That one cannot develop pressure. That one cannot develop any disease because of being pressured by the market or the movement of the market. All right. So that is the best thing about our system. Here we have set 0.01, meaning that the system will choose the lot size by default according to the size of the account. So you don't have to worry about the lot size unless otherwise. So if you want to set your own lot size, that's another thing. But if you want the system to be more profitable, I would like you, or I will advise you not to overtrade, because you want to make Forex market as your daily income and as your business or as your career, because you can make now yourself a full-time a trader. So don't forget, we have the duplicate of this for manual system with which is the dynamic. The dynamic, you receive any signal that would have been taken by the EA. The dynamic manual system with the signal generator, it will send the signal to sell or to buy. When you buy, you don't have to do anything. So we have the manual of this one, which is very simple. After installation, you just wait for the signal because it has the signal or generator, and the price also is very cheap because like now we have the ongoing April offer. All right, it's very, very, you can reach us to our Telegram so that you can get the price that we are giving with the manual or the EA. It's very, very low, and I would like advise you to get this system before the end of this month, because the next offer, it will be the December or by the end of this year when we are closing the year for the Christmas offer. That is when you will receive another offer. So it's my advice to get the system early as possible, even today, so that you can start banking, and this result can be your result by the end of this week. Remember, after purchasing the system, within 30 minutes, you get your system. All right, now let's see if today there is a result. Today is on Sunday. The best thing about the DERIV platform, you can trade all day long. No, there is no weekend. You can trade from Monday to to Sunday. Today is Sunday. Let's check today's results and see if there is a trade. Oh my, here we are. Yeah, here we are. Today is Sunday, date 6th, all right. Date 6th of April 2024. You can see, all right, we have one loss here of boom 900. Oh my, nowadays we have even boom 900. And you can see only $5.4 the loss, but you can see it has already recovered the losses, and we are in 81% profit. $81, guys. Oh my, this is the best thing about the system. So when I say it recovers, that is 100%. You can see it will pick according to lot size. You can see everything is clear. So you can see even today, we have the results. So let's jump in and see the jump for jump 10. We have a result from jump 10. There is no need even to go there, but we can just check even step index. There was a good sell with the step index for 500 200 here. You can see we can go even to 1 hour to check this result carefully. You can see enter exit. So it doesn't matter the time frame. Even if I change into 1 hour, no no worry to buy about, oh, it should no, it's not a must to work on 8 hours or whatever. That is me. I just wanted to prove that any time frame you attach the EA doesn't matter, because it's not all about now the time frame, because it cannot rely with a single time frame. It have to rely to do a proper analysis from different analysis. All right. Let's now get into something else, our normal now desktop, so that we can learn also about the Renko Sniper. At the same thing you are seeing here, I have attached almost everything also from the DERIV with our Renko Sniper. It is the same thing, same method you are using with all our system. You attach anything that you want or anything. Don't limit the system. Oh, I only want to trade gold. What about other stuffs? Since the system analyzes the market with full price action and advanced SMC, you don't have to worry. You can see also even in our TFX Renko Sniper, we have set only 3 maximum of the trades that, or the charts that we want the EA to pick. And when we go also to our risk management, you can see it's 9% of the equity, meaning every chart here will only risk at 3%. So don't limit yourself. Understand this, because it is very important. Don't limit the EA. Open every chart. Open, even if you want to open everything in your terminal, there is no limitation. As long as this EA, it will open only 3 charts or 3 positions. So, and it can only open the ones with a high potential of winning. All right, with proper analysis. So this is not just a EA that enter in the market because there is a signal or there is whatever. No, or no. It must have a proper analysis of full price action and SMC, plus now the Renko bricks. That is the best of the best thing about our system. And let's see, for example, let's go through here. We can do some a few analysis here and randomly, so that we can see how the system performs, like this one. Even we can go even to this place. For instance, this is also boom 500, and it's a buy. All right, it's a buy. Yeah, you can check here in corner. This is the first thing to tell you there is a buy signal, but we can see we don't have a signal. Let's confirm from the Renko, because they have too much also, because we have all-in-one order block. This is one all-in-one order block that after weekly low, all right, this is a weekly low now. The market was from the weekly high, weekly low. Now we are going up. The market reversed to this place. And now from this, we have a all-in-one order block. This is a very, very powerful order block. I will share with you later. Being a buy bullish, so we are expecting this market. This is boom 500. Let's come to this place, boom 500. So we expecting this market to be a bullish market. All right, even in our Renko, let it finish to refresh. so that because it must keep on refreshing if it detect like there is maybe the chart try to freeze, so it must make sure it must refresh to make sure it give us a good and reliable. So when it comes to this area, we can see there was a good sale. Let us analyze this market. This sale happened on date 5th. 5th of that is yesterday. All right, yesterday was a good sale, and this buy happened on date 4th. Let's go to this and analyze buy of date 4th, where it was from our daily low here. This is daily 4th. Oh my, you can see the market reached this area, then reverse. We have another buy here, but you can see how perfect it is. And trust me, if you want to work with only daily high and daily low, it's very simple, but I will share with that in another video, because all you need to change is here. But me, I do love to work with the weekly, so that in every week, all right, but it's adjustable. You can see it so that you can sell here, you can buy here, you can buy here, you can sell here. So I do love to work with the weekly so that my trades can be based on the weekly time frame or high and low, so that we can know what we are trading. So we have a sell here, all right, that went smoothly. Try to consolidate here, then market. The reason why we don't have this buy here, because we don't have a demand zone at this place. So this is the best thing about the EA. This is why I'm telling you, it cannot enter the market because there was a buy signal here, because this is where it should enter the signal of a buy and exit with this formation, or according to the bricks. I think I've been sharing that. But the point here is it cannot buy without all confirmation. So since we are lacking or we are missing a demand zone at this place, it cannot buy. So the point or the aim of this video was to let you, or to remind you, that you don't have to limit this EA. Trade anything you want without fear, guys, without fear. Don't say, oh, my friend, I fear this. Don't fear. According to your equity, don't fear. According to the EA, don't fear, because it will pick according to the risk management. This is the systems that I can guarantee you, if you follow my instructions, my friend, and mentorship, you can never ever blow in your account, and you will always be a profitable trader in Forex market. So my aim is, don't limit the EA. Open many position, not position, attached to many charts as possible. Let the EA analyze, so that each and every day, each and every week, you can count a profit. All right, every week you can count a lot of profit, since that, guys, the system cannot be unlimited. So you don't have to worry how many trades can be taken. It cannot take more than the 3. Even if you want to limit or to increase, you can do that. And the money management, it's 100%. You don't have to think about increasing your lot size. Everything is automated. Unless you have another questions, guys, also you can reach me out. That is my WhatsApp number pop-upping on your screen. And I'm telling you, get this system with this April offer, because the next offer, it will be on December. And remember, the normal price is $2,000, and now you can get any of our EA with only 700. Reach us on our Telegram. There is a lot of offers there, even of our manual system. You can get them with a very, very affordable price. And don't forget, even our manual system, it's very easy. Plug and play. You relax and wait for the signal. So I do believe that, guys, you have understand what I've been telling you in this system, and I think you have seen also the performance. I do believe you have loved the performance. You have seen the losses, the recoveries, and other stuff. So I do believe that you are going to enjoy this, and now you are still getting more information or understanding of the system. And trust me, you don't need many or thousands of video to be convinced. These are the EAs that you really need. They are very simple as that. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.